Brian Wrights, 2 weeks out of hip surgery, right hip surgery, complete right hip surgery. Dr. Matt Varacallo couldn't have been happier. Walking with no cane, no walker, in and out of the shower. Unbelievable.
What about steps?
Steps, up and down the steps. I have at least 5 steps to get in my house, up and down the steps, in and out the car. Just unbelievable. I can't even imagine anything being better. Dr. Matt Varacallo, thank you very much. Couldn't imagine going anywhere else. Penn Highlands Dubois, thank you. You've got some great staff, great nurses. Thank you again. Dr. Matt, you're awesome. Everyone I've asked, everyone I've talked to has asked, are you going to State College or where are you going? And I opted to go here with Penn Highlands Dubois with Matt, and couldn't be happier. I would have never imagined doing this in State College, just because of the travel and the things like that right there. And Matt, you've done amazing to my whole family. You've done my mother's and mine, and I can't even imagine going anywhere else. Thank you again.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
And in regards to pain medication, the first 2 nights I took it just for safety. Other than that, I haven't used Tylenol, I haven't used any kind of pain medication. The pain is very minimal, maybe a little bit of muscle soreness, but other than that, it's unbelievable. I just can't even imagine